This is the LaRoseBros.
And today, we're here at Lake Sammamish to do some kayaking and fishing. We're going out Lake Sammamish. Yeah, another time when we were here at Lake Sammamish, Phoebe and my dad caught a really big trout, over 2 pounds probably, over 2 feet long. It was really good sized, slim trout. You can watch that video on our channel. But yeah, it's been a while since I've been fishing, a couple weeks. And I'm excited to be back out here on the kayak, which it's been even longer since I've been out on the kayak. So, see if I can catch anything today. It's pretty deep over here. I imagine this is where all the bass are. Probably some good yellow perch here too. Okay, cast out my pole for the first time. Found a good spot. Water looks pretty deep over here. It's a really nice day here at Lake Sammamish. We probably got here a little late in the day, but looks like a good spot to fish. So I'm gonna park here for a little bit. Oh. There's a dead yellow perch back there. There's a dead yellow perch somewhere around here. Oh, yep, right up here. That right there. See? It's a dead yellow perch. I'm out here looking to try to catch some of these. This one's very small, but hopefully I'll catch a bigger one of these. Those are all butterflies. Lots and lots of butterflies over here.
So we're gonna go out on the paddle yacht and see if you can find anything cool.
Alright, so we're heading out here.
Dad, you're drifting that way.
I'm going out here into the Lake Sammamish. It's a beautiful day, and I don't know, I feel like doing some paddle boarding, so I think I'm gonna stand up. Well, stuff from a lot of the waves, boats out here. There's a pretty good sized fish out here. I'm gonna try.
What the heck? Silas, are you okay? Silas, fell off the kayak. Silas, are you okay? Get the paddle! Get the paddle! It's sinking!
Let me get the paddle. Oh, I got the paddle.
What happened? How do you fall off?
I don't know, bro.
Yeah, so there are a few people out here catching some crappie, and they're apparently using little jigs. So Silas is gonna use a jig, and we might be able to catch some crappie too, because they're catching them like super fast. Like they just put in the water barely and got it right away.
How far are they?
Well, we didn't catch anything today, but we still had a great time at Lake Sammamish, and we hope you learned a few things about kayaking.
Yep. And also, you can check out more of our videos from our YouTube channel, and make sure to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next time.